Hey guys, welcome back. I am Happy Teach. I am back with another quick tutorial for you. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a QR code and see how easy it is to do inside of InDesign, right? So let's say we wanted to make a QR code so that uh, anyone who views this can go right to Adobe Creative Cloud Express, which is an amazing app to be in. This used to be Adobe Spark. So if you guys know Spark, that's what this is. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and copy. So I'm going to hit Command or Control C, or you can right click, edit copy, whichever way. The point is to copy this address. And I'm going to exit full screen. I'm going to move that over to my other screen. And so now I'm inside of InDesign in a new project. So here's the cool thing. I'm going to go up here to object and I'm going to go down to generate QR code. I'm going to click on that. Okay. So I didn't have to have anything on my screen. As you see, there's nothing there. I can choose plain text, or I can say that it's a web hyperlink. So that's the first thing I need to tell it. What is it? Is it a hyperlink? Is it a text message? Is it email? Is it a business card? What is it that I have? So I have a web hyperlink. So I'm going to click that. I can also change the color. So if I know that I want this to be a specific color, like I want to choose something that you can really see. So I'm going to choose this red right here. Okay, I have that from a different video that I had before. So now I'm going to go back to content and I'm going to paste in the URL. So look at this. So far, all we did was we have a new document. We didn't have to have anything in there. We went up to object. We went to generate QR code. We are here in the QR code dialog box. We chose the color if we want to choose a color. Otherwise, it'll come in the default of black. We told it what we wanted, which was type, web hyperlink, content. Too easy. Pasted the URL in here and watch this. Here's where the magic happens, guys. I'm going to hit OK. You guys ready for me to hit OK? Are you ready? You're not ready. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. Boom. Look at that. A QR code is there. And if you guys take your phone out and you take your phone out and you go to your camera and you look at that and point it to that QR code, it's going to take you. It's going to say adobe.com. You click on that and bam, it takes you right to the website for Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So if you don't have Express, look at that. I just provided it for you where you can go there and check it out. It is so amazing. But in any event, there's a QR code. That is how easy it is to create. And then you can work it into your design. You know, if you're designing a magazine, a catalog, whatever, you know what I mean? You can actually just work this sucker in. Make sure I got my into whatever you're creating. So there you have it. That is the probably the quickest video that we've done. But that is the quick and easy way to create and generate that QR code. All right. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please click that like button. Please comment. If you like the channel, you like my content, please subscribe. All right. That's how I get moving on YouTube. Please help me out. All right. So that is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. Ta-ta for now.